waxaa imid garoon lagu ciyaaro ciyaartan oo hindida aadka caan kugu yihiin oo cajiibka ah waxaa ciyaaraya kooda muslimka iyo kooda hindiga ba ciyaarayaan waa dhaqan ay ku wada faanaan marka aan la qaadano maanta waqtigeena galabta waa sa daawano
भाई बॉलिंग में ब्रदर
हाँ फ्लॉक फ्लॉक YouTube channel yeah
What is your name?
Zaki Hirale
How many subscribers?
thank you just no I'm beginning
Oh,
हाँ नाम क्या है
Talha.
तलहा
अबू तलहा।
मेरा नाम ज़करिया
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Abdullah, English understand?
Yeah, I can speak English.
Okay. Tell me, how do you play this game? What's it all about? We know football is like 10 man versus 10 man.
Yeah, this is 11 versus 11, and the batting team and bowling team.
Okay, batting team and
Bowling team.
Okay.
Fielding team basically.
okay,
So there are 7 players sometimes or 11 players
okay,
based on the players we have in the ground.
okay.
Yeah, and
So now we have this side. How many?
both the sides 7 and 11. 7 and 7.
7 and 7.
Yeah.
Both side.
Yeah.
Okay. So they are 14.
Yeah. Line up देख के डाल रहा है. Yeah.
Tala.
I am playing. I can't.
You are playing? Okay, cool. He's playing. Isagoo ciyaaraya runtii awrasi iga aqbalay siiyo. Just tell me. Yes, I'll give you.
Yeah. So where are you from?
I'm from Somalia.
Somalia. When did you came here?
Just 3 months ago.
How are you feeling here?
Absolutely good.
All the people over here.
अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छा है. So you speak Urdu? A little bit.
थोड़ा.
Okay. You like the food over here?
Absolutely. अच्छा.
There are so many Somalis, maybe your friends and all.
How about you?
No, you have friends and all.
Yeah.
This is my friend.
आपका नाम?
Your name?
मुजम्मिल. माशाल्लाह. मेरा नाम ज़करिया.
Zakaria.
You call me Zaki. Just like Zaki Naik.
Zaki bhai.
Now it is. How many points do you have? Points.
Points. It's based on runs.
Runs.
They score if we lose the toss, we do fielding. If they win the toss, they basically do batting. And they like if they score, this is 6-4. Direct hit on the net, it's 6, and if bounces come and hit the net, it's 4.
4.
Yeah, so we calculate the runs, 4s, 6s, and singles. They run over there.
So from that guy to you,
Yeah,
and there.
yeah. These are the fielders. Me, him, and one boy over here, and they are batting over there. Yeah.
So you play every afternoon here.
Model ले लो model सुकून चलियो. Catch, बहुत प्यारा. Yeah, we play every afternoon over here.
You play every afternoon.
Yeah. Some activity we have to do for our fitness, right?
Cool.
Yeah, we have.
Still of football. How do you like football? Do you
Football.
play football?
Yeah, we do play football. At night we play, or sometimes in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
In the morning, so
Yeah, after Fajr.
in this field.
Yeah.
So you wanna be like Azzuddin, like this? Azzuddin,
As a
the best cricketer in India.
Oh,
Muhammad,
famous cricketer,
famous cricketer.
Virat Kohli.
Yes.
Virat Kohli,
From
Amazon.
1980s. I'm talking.
Oh, 1986. William Richards. They are from South Africa.
The one from Hyderabad, who is Muslim,
Hyderabad. Zishan Khadri.
who has become now
Siraj. Mohammad Siraj.
Mohammad Siraj. Yeah.
Yeah, Mohammad Siraj.
So are you planning to be like him?
Not really. We have different works to do.
Okay.
He had that.
Profession.
I study BBIT.
BBIT.
Yeah.
In the university.
In degree. Yeah, university.
In which year?
Second year.
Yeah, I've had people like to get a government job instead of private job?
It's based on them. If they want pension, like if they want salary after their retirement, they get pension. Like even if they retire after like 60 years, 50 years, they still get money.
Even if they die?
No. If, बैगन में मिला दिया मॉडल तुम। अरे पिंडे का आरो बेकारी का चौवा दिया आरो। Polite कुदियो। So you like football?
No, sorry.
You like football?
They scored against you.
No.
Yeah, I like football.
You like football?
I play football and I watch football. I'm a big fan of Arsenal, Liverpool.
The new player, Lamine Yamal.
Lamine Yamal is a Muslim from Morocco.
Yeah.
Originally.
Uh-huh.
Why Indians don't normally like to play football? And
Indians?
like cricket team.
Huh? Nah. Indians like both football and cricket. If you see some players in India, they really love football, so they have clubs. Hyderabad club.
You have here?
Yeah, in Hyderabad.
League in Hyderabad?
Yeah, state level.
This is a Premier League?
Yeah.
Oh,
They play state level Hyderabad, and we have Indian team also in football. They like to play football and all. Some players who like football, they play football.
some of the names of the teams.
Sunil Chetri, Sunil Chetri, and Muhammad Imran, Rashid Faraz, Kausar Saab. Yeah, they all play football for Indian team and most probably for Hyderabad.
Who's leading the team that's leading the league now?
No, I don't know that.
I don't know.
Because I watch cricket, but I also know about football. I used to play when I was young. Yeah. So you are totally shifted here. You are living here.
I am planning, but Bashir,
Okay.
be here.
So you have friends or relatives? What do you do? Like, what is your profession?
Me, I studied public administration.
What is that?
Public administration and social studies, social science.
Oh, okay, social studies.
I am a social worker.
Okay, so where do you work?
And partially I am also a journalist.
Okay, okay.
So I do the YouTube thing.
Yeah. So you are a social worker.
I'm a social worker.
Okay.
What are you planning to do when you finish the university?
I am actually doing boxing.
Boxing?
Yeah, MMA.
Seriously?
Yeah. No, I practice.
Okay.
Just like few months back, 1 year probably. Yeah.
Then you will join.
Yeah, I'm planning to. If Allah wills, I will try my best.
So you want to be like Khabib?
Yeah, most probably. But he does MMA. Khabib does MMA and I do boxing. Muhammad Ali.
Wrestling.
Yeah, Muhammad Ali. Yeah.
And Mike Tyson.
Yeah, Mike Tyson.
And Floyd Mayweather.
Yeah, them. They do boxing.
Boxing. So you are planning to be a boxer?
Yeah, hopefully, inshallah, if Allah
And
wills.
you will represent India?
Yeah, hopefully, if inshallah.
Actually, Hyderabad.
कितने क्या चल रहे हो बिन्ना तुम नहीं देख रहे डबल है मल्टीटास्किंग है Yeah.
Yeah, cool. That's cool, mashallah.
Thank you so
I wish you success. Really.
Inshallah. Thank you so much. Hopefully.
Yeah. And I like to say Daha is my friend from Hyderabad.
Yeah, sure. So, like, why are so many Somalians shifting over here? Any reason?
For some reasons. It's like for education. Okay, they wanted to.
So, Somalian doesn't have any good education.
Yeah, but we wanted to take advantage of the India's
Okay.
and developing education.
Okay.
That's why we are here. But we have so many universities back home.
Yeah.
And also there are some people who have come here for medication, treatment.
Okay.
Have you ever met, before me, have you ever met Somali?
Yeah, I have met so many people in Somalian.
Okay.
They have a good nature, they thank, they smile. they don't fight. Over here in Hyderabad, people have like they are really aggressive sometimes. Like they should be like if someone comes from outside, and like you talk to them very in attitude way, so people get aggressive sometimes.
They are friendly.
Yeah, they are friendly and sometimes they get an ego and this.
Some ego, yes.
Yeah, they fight. कैच बोल अरे कैच छोड़ दिया यार अब बोलो तुम पिंडा हम बात करते करते ले रहे पिंडा उन्होंने तो बॉलिंग डालते डालते छोड़ दे रहे
Thanks for your time.
नो प्रॉब्लम एनी टाइम
I will see it.
आई एम अवेलेबल एनी टाइम
You're almost here sometimes.
या श्योर
Thank you. شكريا. أدب عجيبة والله ما شاء الله. وقتي أنا ردي لقيتي ورئيسي معانا والله يشي صاحبكي إركاز مسلم كاعد باحة الله ماشي أنا وماشي أي كعيران هاي ماشي أنا ماشي أي كعيران مارت كريكت كعيرتها مركا في الحالة قلت إيه إن وقتي إنا نسوي يا شيء ماشي أنا نصاب وغضر ujeedaan waa kaas waa meel cajiiba runtii meel cajiiba हाँ ओके आपका नाम बशीर ये मेरा फ्रेंड मेरा दोस्त है बशीर आपका बशीर नहीं मेरा नाम जकरिया
यस
फिर
ब्लॉग बनाया
कितना उम्र
18
ओह माशाल्लाह
पढ़ा करना
आई एम फ्रॉम सोमालिया
हिमालयन
मालूम है
नहीं
अफ्रीका
अफ्रीका के
हाँ अफ्रीका हाँ नहीं मालूम है हाँ,
पढ़ा करना
हाँ?
उधर पढ़ा बैक साइड
हाँ
ब्लॉग बनाया है ना
भाई हाँ हाँ यूट्यूबर व्लॉगर फेसबुकर
फिर डाल दे किस पे डाल दे
हाँ अस्पताल जी
इंस्टाग्राम पे
स्टडी
किस पे डालते हैं आप
अस्पताल
हाँ
मैं जा रही हूँ
ओके
बशीर मैं कुछ ना चाहती हूँ
व्हाट
इंग्लिश
यस
Huh?
मीडियम
medium I want I want you to tell me this place what do you do here
ये हैदराबाद
no here this field
व्हाट
this
दिस व्हाट ग्राउंड
हाँ बहुत पसंद है
नो
हाँ
लिमिटेड
हाँ
ठीक है
हाँ ओके शुक्रिया halaagiyay maasha allah waa dadkii waaweyn intaa ku ciyaaraan intana waa kaas ilmo yarkaa ku ciyaaraya midkaani maasha allah ilaahay baa u gargaaray maasha allah waa kaas dowladnimo waa kaas macaankeeda arka waxaa ku qoran khayra taabaad zoom maasha allah yes आपका नाम अयान मेरा नाम जकरिया किस उम्र कितना उम्र 6 नवो सात हाय क्या हुआ अच्छा आप ख्याल रखना dadkan oo hindida ah masha Allah waxyaabaha aan kaga helaa kamid ah waa yani dadka ilaahay ismid kama dhigin wa khaasatan dadka muslimiinta ah maaragtay inkastoo fitrada insaaniga lagu kala duwan yahay haddana dadkan badigood dadka mutadawaaduc badan istolig badan kaa faanaynin waa jiraan some of them laga yaaba xogaa inay maaragtay arkaan inaa afrikaan tahay ama si kale ugu fiiriyan taasna soomaaliya ba ku jirta yes brother 50k Facebook.
Stop this camera.
You don't like this camera?
Stop. Show me your channel. Oh, how much this?
This show you?
No.
Okay.